What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Carly. Nice to meet you. I am a birth and postpartum doula specializing in home birth, and this is a series that I've created called The Sounds of Labor, where I'm taking you through each stage and giving you some real raw footage of what these stages can possibly look and sound like to hopefully help you feel more adequately prepared for your birth. As a birth doula, I began to notice a consistent theme coming up with my clients during our postpartum visit. There was always this one moment where almost every single one of my clients would break into tears and just become really emotional reflecting on their birth experience. And almost every single time, they would say something along the lines of, I wish I hadn't let myself get so out of control, or I'm disappointed about how loud I was, or I can't believe that I screamed like that. And the objective of this series is to eliminate the shame that tends to arise after a labor experience by providing some real life examples of what you might look like, sound like, or feel like during each stage of labor. In today's video, I'll be showing stage 1 of labor and more specifically zooming in on phase 2, active labor. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, I will link the entire playlist here for you so that you can watch all of the episodes to get the full picture. Before we jump into it, if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of this empowering community, and be sure to hit that notification bell as well so that you know whenever my new videos go live. I upload every single week, and as usual, I will be including all of the timestamps down below so that you can stay for the parts you want and leave the rest. With all that said, let's go ahead and jump into today's video of the sounds of labor.
He's ready nice and open. There you go, Carly. Yep, go there. Yep, go there. There you go.
Yeah, it's like stuck to my, ugh.
Yeah, every time you move. Beautiful. You're like, must be nice.
Yeah.
It's my bedtime, man.
I know. Drew goes to bed at like 8 o'clock. This is when I'm the most awake.
I know, this is perfect for Carly.
Lean right into it. Drop it down. That's it, Carly. That's it. Let that happen. Yep. Yeah, I was gonna ask about that earlier. You know,
If you turn down the other lights, it might be nice. Yeah, is the tub okay? It's not gonna like flip over. Is it?
No, you're fine. I'm just trying to reach your other side. Stop falling in. I'm doing it.
Would you get my phone so that I can turn on that music that I like to listen to?
Yes. Do you have any idea? It's
plugged in, yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back.
I don't think so, babe.
No, that's okay.
Can you turn it down a little?
It's really good. Aren't you clever? Aren't you clever?
Can we turn that light off?
There you go.
Oh my god.
That's it. Let it happen.
Oh, I need a bucket. Oh.
That's it. Let it come. Lean right into it.
I think my water just broke.
Good.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's it.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh. That does it for stage 1, phase 2 active labor. If you'd like to watch stage 1, phase 1 early labor, then click here. And if you're ready to watch stage 1, phase 3 transition, then click here. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.